Hi everyone, it's Savannah for KelownaNow, and I am with Kim Brisbell. You are part of the Active Living and Culture programming here at the Parkinson Rec Centre for the City of Kelowna. Can you tell me what we're doing here today?
So today we're sort of doing a call for help or call for musicians. We have a program called Rockin with Clay. That's a music therapy class for people with disabilities and diverse abilities, and we are needing to replace Clay. He is moving away, and so we are kind of asking people to get in contact with us if that's what they're interested in or that sort of thing. So the program right now runs 2 days a week. It's Tuesdays and Fridays. The class is about an hour and 15 minutes, and so participants with various diverse abilities come and enjoy some acoustic music, a bunch of different songs throughout the genres and the decades, and sort of sing along, dance along, play some musical instruments, and just sort of really take it all in and have a good time. Music is sort of that universal language that everyone can enjoy and appreciate. In a program like this, no matter what people's ability levels are, they can enjoy it and really participate in any way that they can. And so it's just it's our most popular program by far, just because it's so accessible to everyone.
Okay everybody, this is Clay Brown. You are the famed instructor of Rockin with Clay. What is it like for you being able to put on a program like this for people with diverse abilities in the community?
It's a lot of fun, and it's not super challenging. It's just a lot of fun. Show up here on Tuesdays and Fridays, and I play for an hour and 15 minutes for people with special needs. They join in singing, dancing, playing rhythm instruments, and we have a lot of fun. It's a little bit tough to leave this program. I'm hoping that maybe wherever I go I can continue to do this kind of work. But I teach students and stuff as well, so I'll always be doing music, but this has for sure been a super rewarding experience.
Clay's done an amazing job of kind of taking it and growing it and making it that highlight of all the participants' week. So we wouldn't like to sort of put it on hiatus for the summer. We'd love to keep it going and sort of have that seamless transition. So that's our goal. We're sort of asking musicians to send us their resumes or get in contact with us and say, hey, I'm in a band, or I'm an acoustic guitar player, or whatever sort of musical background that they have, and then we can look to set up an interview with them and discuss the role of the contract instructor with the City of Kelowna, and then hopefully get someone in the position sooner rather than later. We're really looking for people that are passionate. We're working with people with diverse abilities, as well as sort of spreading that musical joy, I guess. So
Now that Clay is venturing on, the team here at the Parkinson Rec Centre are looking for a replacement for the acoustic music therapy class that sees over 80 participants in a week. If you'd like to apply, you can reach out to Kim, and we'll have her contact info in the story below. For KelownaNow.com, I'm Savannah Bagshaw.